Okay guys, what's up? So a little tutorial on how I make copper. And I use the same process for silver as well. So anyway, here we go. So what I've got is a little 5-cup coffee pot. Actually it's a 6-cup, but nevertheless. And what I've got is a 27 amp laptop power pack that I've got spliced into 2 alligator clips, which I have connected to the copper rods. As you can see, the copper rods are not touching, but they're pretty close. But the important thing is they're not touching, because that'll short out the whole thing. And that's plugged in over here. It's just a typical laptop power pack. But once again, I cut the end of it off, and I've got those 2 guys spliced on there. That cooks for about 4.5 hours when I'm doing the copper. As you can see, I put it in bottles. Forget about the Baileys. That's not what goes in. It's copper wire that goes in there. Copper. I also do silver. The silver is the exact same process, but it takes about 1 hour and 15 minutes because the silver is nowhere near as dense as of a metal as the copper rods. And I got the copper rods off eBay, I think. I think it was eBay. Anyway, copper rods with the alligator clips. Got the rubber band to help make sure they don't touch. And I keep all the electrical stuff, exposed wires and whatnot separate. So, for anyone who's interested in that kind of thing, and what I do is I actually drink this water. Now what I'll do is I'll filter it. It's got about 10 minutes left to go to cook, but what I'll do is I'll filter it using literally nothing more than coffee filters into a cup like this. I'll filter the copper into here, and then I will simply pour it using a funnel into these 2 bottles, and along with my other vitamins, which are all over the counter. I'm not on any prescriptions, but along with the other vitamins I take, I do the copper every night. I'll show you. I generally take a cup this size, okay, and I'll fill it up to about there. So it's a real good shot, or like a double shot kind of thing. But I drink that once a day, every day, along with vitamins. And I do, in the mornings, I do the silver, which I do the same amount, different glass obviously. I do the silver in the mornings along with a tablespoon of DE, or as some of you may know it, I don't know where the bottle is, but it's diatomaceous earth. Food grade, of course. So, anyway, there you go. See ya.